Step 1. Find the right business idea. Most people fail before they even start. Not because they aren't talented, but because they spend weeks trying to decide what business to build. Instead of guessing, let AI help you. The first tool is Idea Browser. This tool helps you discover trending business ideas, validates demand, analyzes competitors, and even identifies potential customers. Instead of asking, "What business should I start?" you can ask, "What problem are people willing to pay to solve?" That's a completely different mindset. Imagine finding an idea that's already in demand, instead of hoping people will like it. That's why this should always be your starting point. Because building the wrong business faster is still building the wrong business. Now that you have a business idea, it needs something people will remember.
Step 2. Create a business name. Think about some of the biggest companies in the world. Apple, Nike, Stripe. Not only are their products great, their names are easy to remember. That's where Namelix comes in. Simply describe your business, choose the style you like, and it generates hundreds of brandable names within seconds. Whether you want something modern, minimal, luxury, or tech-focused, it gives you endless possibilities. It even suggests logo styles to match your brand. Instead of spending days brainstorming names with friends, you can generate dozens of professional options almost instantly. And here's a small tip. Before choosing a name, always check if the domain is available. It'll save you from changing your brand later. By the way, if you're planning to start your own business one day, type AI business in the comments. I'm curious how many future founders are watching this video. Now that your business has a name, let's make it look like a real brand.
Step 3. Design your logo. People often think a logo is just a picture. It's not. It's the first impression of your business, and first impressions matter. Instead of hiring a designer immediately, you can use Recraft AI. Just describe your business, choose a style, and Recraft generates professional logo concepts in minutes. Need something modern, minimal, luxury, playful? It can create multiple variations until you find one that fits your brand perfectly. The best part is that you can continue editing and refining the design without starting from scratch. In just a few minutes, your business starts looking like an actual company instead of just an idea. Now your business has a name and a professional logo. But branding is much more than just a logo.
Step 4. Choose your brand colors. Have you noticed how some brands become recognizable just by their colors? Think about YouTube, Spotify, McDonald's. You recognize them before you even read the name. That's the power of branding. The tool for this step is Chroma. Instead of randomly picking colors, Chroma uses AI to generate beautiful color combinations based on your preferences. It helps you choose colors that look professional together and match the personality of your business. Whether you're building a finance company, an AI startup, or an online store, the right colors make your brand look more trustworthy. And trust is something every new business needs. So far, we've built the foundation. We have the idea, the name, the logo, the colors. But none of that matters if customers can't find you online. In the next part, we'll build a complete website, create professional emails, launch social media, and even automate the business using AI.
Step 5. Build your website.
Now comes the exciting part. You've built the identity of your business, but a business isn't real until people can actually visit it. Let's build your online presence. A few years ago, building a website meant hiring a developer or learning how to code yourself. Today, AI has changed that. The tool for this step is Lovable. All you have to do is describe your business. For example, create a modern landing page for an AI marketing agency with pricing, testimonials, contact form, and FAQ. Within minutes, Lovable generates a professional website that you can edit and publish. No coding, no complicated setup. Just describe what you want and let AI handle the heavy lifting. This means your business can go from an idea to an actual website in less time than it takes to watch a movie.
Step 6. Create professional business emails. Whether someone wants to buy your product, ask a question, or request a refund, your emails represent your business. Instead of writing every email from scratch, use Draftly. It helps you generate professional welcome emails, sales emails, customer support replies, newsletters, follow-ups, and promotional campaigns in seconds. You simply tell it what you need, and it creates polished emails that sound professional and persuasive. Imagine saving hours every week while maintaining consistent communication with your customers. That's exactly what smart businesses do. If you're finding this roadmap useful so far, hit the like button because it tells YouTube to recommend this video to more entrepreneurs who want to build with AI. Now, let's make sure people actually discover your business. Step 7. Create marketing content. You could have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows it exists, you won't make a single sale. That's why marketing is one of the most important parts of any business. For this step, I recommend Krea AI. Instead of hiring a graphic designer for every social media post or advertisement, Krea AI helps you generate stunning product images, promotional graphics, banners, and marketing visuals from simple prompts. Need an Instagram post? A Facebook ad? A website banner? A product mockup? You can create all of them in minutes. Professional-looking visuals instantly make your business appear more trustworthy, and that's often the difference between someone scrolling past your brand and someone clicking on it. Now you've got beautiful marketing assets. Let's put them in front of your audience. Step 8. Manage your social media. Posting consistently is one of the hardest parts of growing a business. Some days you don't know what to post. Other days you simply don't have time. That's where FeedHive AI helps. It generates content ideas, writes captions, schedules posts, and even helps recycle your best performing content. Instead of worrying about what to post every morning, you can plan weeks of content in advance. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds customers. But there's still one thing missing. You don't want to spend your entire day doing repetitive work. Let's fix that. Step 9. Automate your business. This is the step that separates small businesses from smart businesses. The tool is N8N. Think of it as your AI employee working 24 hours a day. When someone fills out a contact form, N8N can automatically send a welcome email, add the customer to your CRM, notify you on Slack or Discord, save the information to Google Sheets, create a task for your team, and trigger dozens of other actions without you touching a single button. Instead of doing repetitive tasks every day, you build the workflow once and let automation handle the rest. The more your business grows, the more valuable automation becomes. Now, take a look at what you've built. You started with nothing, just an idea. Now you have a business concept, a memorable name, a professional logo, a consistent brand identity, a live website, business emails, marketing materials, social media content, and an automated workflow running in the background. That's an entire business created with the help of AI tools. The best part is that you don't need to use every tool today. Start with one step, then build on it. Before you know it, you'll have something real instead of just another idea sitting in your notebook. So here's my question for you. If you were starting a business today, what would it be? Tell me in the comments because I read every single one, and your idea might even inspire a future video. And if you want a complete tutorial on any of the tools featured today, just comment its name and I'll make a dedicated walkthrough. If this video saved you hours of research, don't forget to like, subscribe to Nichezy, and share it with someone who's dreaming of starting their own business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.